Hi, everybody. So, in this video, I am talking about two signs to let you know that your manifestation is close. And before I do that, if you like this video, hit the like button. It helps with the algorithm. And also subscribe to the channel if you find my content valuable. So, the first sign of how you can tell your manifestation is close is simply by how you feel. Your feelings are major attractors of your experiences. And even further than that, your thoughts create your feelings. So, what are you thinking? Are you focusing on your manifestations in a way that brings you joy, makes you feel good, makes you feel like you're expecting what you want to come and you know it's going to come? Are you thinking in that way? And by thinking in that way will cause you to have the vibration of, the elevated vibrations that draws your manifestations close. Also, the second thing is, just look around. What's showing up in your experiences, or in your experience, what's showing up? Are you seeing any synchronicities that lets you know that you're on the right path, and lets you know that whatever it is that you want is on its way to you, it's coming to you? And yeah, so the first one again is, how are you feeling? What are you focusing on? And number two is, what synchronicities are showing up in your experience. And thank you so much for watching. That is all for this video. Um, Again, like this video if you like it, and consider subscribing to the channel for more content on spirituality. Oh my God, on spirituality, law of attraction, self development, and more. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.